Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this porch or patio, or you can put this on your pergola, that this hammock that this brand sent to me for the video. I have to say that this one was number one, super easy to assemble, really easy. It comes kind of like almost ready because these are like just like 4 pieces. I'm going to explain everything to you in a few seconds. And this is a little bit higher than it's supposed to be hang. I have to say that this is not supposed to be this high. You can see that well, probably you can't see it because I need to point my phone, my camera down, but I can't touch the floor from here. But for the purpose of this video, I hang it from my pergola. But I have to say it probably needs to be about like 10 to 15 inches down from this. But this one supports 500 pounds. You don't believe me? We now have combined about, I want to say 350 pounds or so. So we don't have 500, of course, but this one supports 500 pounds. So that's actually pretty good. Let's take a closer look. So a couple of things that I want to show you. Number one, this right here comes with a combed part over here, so you can actually see that it's not just flat, and this is super good for you to have a really nice angle when sitting and having your legs a little bit elevated. So that's really good for putting your weight kind of like in this part first and then hanging your legs from here. Also, this right here, these two are super reinforced, so this it's kind of like the part that withstand the whole weight, the full kind of like the 500 pounds that I was telling you before. Also, this right here, this comb part over here, it's also kind of good, like ergonomic, to put your hands like this and to put your arms like this. And one thing that I will mention, this is metal, so if you leave it outside in the sun, it may get kind of like get a little bit hot. So if you can get a cushion like a pillow, that could be really good. But without the pillow, it's actually very comfortable, I have to say. Here you can see a little bit of a better look right here with the whole seat over here, and of course this really nice and stylish back over here with this design that I have to say that looks really nice. Also, these are covered with plastic cups over here, so you won't have any issues with the metal parts right here. And the whole chair is 49 inches long, but I think it was like almost 20, yeah, almost 19 or 20 inches in the back right here. And also right here in this part, it's almost, I want to say again, 20 inches. But I do like this one because you don't have to do much with the assemble. You only have to put the back over here, the armrest, actually the armrest first and then the back, and then you do this kind of like this loop with the change and securing one of these ends. I think the best one is to do the back first, so you can actually put these two parts of the change first, hook it up, kind of like do the loop on the actual place that you're gonna hang it, which in my case, it's one of these big pieces of wood in my pergola, and then just like secure this one, and that's pretty much it. But again, 500 pounds and really easy to assemble. My advice is to put it kind of like 7 feet tall, I think, so that could be a really good height, like in between 7 to 7.5 feet tall. This is almost 9, so that's actually pretty much, and that's why I'm kind of like far from the floor. But this one could be really good to hang in your porch, in your patio, like under a tree or something like that. I like it. I give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.